Hello viewers, I am Sukriti Dan. Today we discuss about the Sushant Singh Rajput, the Kunduli of the Sushant Singh Rajput, and analysis about the her death, the matter of death of actor. Okay, so actually the Sushant Singh Rajput is the best actor, but he his lifestyle is very struggling, and in their journey is the very difficult according to the astrology, and his ascendant is first means Aries, and the ascending and the moon is situated at the Taurus. So the zodiacal sign of the Sushant Singh Rajput is Taurus. So we consider about the Sushant Singh Rajput total birth chart analysis, and then Rahu is placed the first house and the Ketu is placed in the 7th house. Ketu and the Mars is, which is the ascendant lord or Lagna lord, is placed at the 7th house. First consideration, the Lagna lord, that is the ascendant lord Mars, is placed at the 7th house. It is affected by the Rahu and the created the Angaraka Yoga, which is when the Rahu is the aspect of the Rahu to the Mars, and the Mars is placed with the Ketu, so it is create the big negative yoga, that is the Angaraka Yoga. So the Lagna lord, the Mars, is affected by the Rahu and Ketu, so it is the big negative sign. When a person is affected the its Lagna lord, and then create the big problem in the native life and overall situation, and create the obstacle and the very enemy is created in this life. Okay, and now we consider the when the actually as per the Lagna ascendant Aries, then it is the main ruling planet is the number 1 is the Mars, number 5 means Sun, and the 9th lord, that is the fortune planet, that is Jupiter. And now Jupiter is situated at the Capricorn. We know the Jupiter is placed at the Capricorn is the deviated. So in the Sushant Singh Rajput whose Kundalis analysis, and this 9th house lord, that is the Jupiter, is placed at the 10th house, and it is the deviated situation, so it is the big negative situation. Okay, and after that the Sun is placed at the 10th house, it is the Digbal, and the Venus is placed at the 10th house, that is the big in the any artistical kind of field, and Sun is placed at the 10th house and the Venus is placed in 10th house, is the it is a very glorious for the any kind of professional field, any kind of artistical field. But Sun and Venus is placed at together at the 10th house, it's create a big Daridra joke. This is create the very affected, the Sun is very affect the Venus, and Venus is very poor position. This create, because in this chart the Venus is the 7th lord, and it is the in the native for the male person generally, the Venus is represent the relationship, Venus represent the sex, Venus represent the opposite sex, the relation with the opposite sex, and the for male the Venus represent the female partner. Okay, so now in this chart the Venus and Sun is placed together, and it is create a very negative Daridra joke. This is the very negative for the native. And now after that the Saturn is placed in the 8th house, then we know the 8th house is the house of death. So 8th house, at the 8th house, the Saturn is very negative for the Sushant Singh Rajput, and in this chart the moon is the 4th lord, and moon represents the our mentality, our behavior, and our mother, and our depression. Any kind of mental situation is create the moon. When the moon is strong in the birth chart, this is the positive sign of the mentality. But in this chart, the moon is affected by the Saturn, so the moon is very affected. And for this situation, the mother of Sushant Singh Rajput is dead very earlier, okay, because the the aspect of Saturn is placed then 7th, aspect of Saturn is placed to the moon. So this is the very negative situation. So number 1 negative situation, Rahu is 1st house and Ketu is the 2nd house. Ketu is 7th house. So it is the very negative for the any kind of struggle, any kind of public dealings, because when the Ketu is placed at the 7th house, when the public dealings is the very negative, because any kind of enemy create in this life. And number 2, and ascendant lord or first lord is the Mars is affected by the Rahu or Ketu. Number 3, and the 9th lord, and that is the Jupiter, is deviated, okay. Number 3, the Daridra Jog. Number 5, the Saturn is placed at the 8th house. And the last, there is very important for the depression purpose, okay. The moon is affected by the Saturn, so this situation create the very struggle situation, very negative situation in the Sushant Singh Rajput's life. So depression and any kind of struggle is created in his life, that is continuously occurred to the any kind of death. Okay, thank you.